Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We are with Molly and Molly's last puppy. So, there he is. There he is, right there, jumping all over me. He's happy to see me. And here's Molly. I can't really get a good picture of these guys because they keep jumping on me. So I'll go out here. So you can get a nice picture of them. There's Molly. There's her last puppy. It's a black male. He's housebroken. I mean, he doesn't go to the bathroom inside. And Rosie is the grandmother. Right there, the yellow one. So, if you're interested in a black male, I don't know why no one would want this dog. You know how many emails I get a day? But no one wants to leave a deposit. I don't know. You want to know how many people ask me for a free dog? Oh, it's Christmas time. Give me a free dog. I said, yeah, buy a dog. And on New Year's and Christmas, Thanksgiving and Christmas, we actually give away free dogs. Get involved. That's what we do. Couple more days, and I'm making the call. Yay! All right, Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. There's Molly, Molly's last puppy, and Rosie going out the door. All right. And God bless and good night.